Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I've just picked up some pansies and I like a good bargain. £2 for a tray. They're pretty good, not too bad. And I've got some old baskets. I'm just going to do a really quick mix just to do a couple of easy hanging baskets for my pansies. Let me show you what we're going to do. So today I'm just knocking up a few quick and easy baskets using these pansies. Straightforward. So I've got a basket and it's around 12 inches. So 12 inches you can get 6 to 8 plug plants. A bigger basket, 15 inches, you can get 8 to 15 plugs in the basket. So I've just made sure there's a hole. Some of the baskets come with a plastic liner and they don't have holes. So I've made a hole in the bottom of the liner. I'm just going to fill it up. And I've got a bit of a mixture of homemade compost, normal compost. I'm just getting a pot and I'll set it on top. So I'm just doing a bit of both. I'm just going to add a bit of slow release fertilizer. I'm not going to fill it to the top. There we go. So I take our plug plants and we've just got pansies. These are mixed pansies. Bought these for £2 for a tray. So I'm just giving the trays a squeeze and they just come out nice and easy. Squeeze. There we go. Squeeze. So for this one I'm going to have one in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's always best to do odd numbers. Don't know why. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5. I'm going to have another white one in the middle. So once we've got our plugs, I'm just going to remove the flowers. It's a bit harsh, but I want them to go nice and bushy. So just pinching them with nail, and I'm putting them in a slight angle so they head over the basket. So if you've got some nails, pushing them in, and they're going to leave with the middle one and just have a bit of colour in the middle. Just going to remove, pinch, and this is how we deadhead the pansies. And one more, pinch. So these are going to go out nice and bushy over the side of the basket. Just a bit compost in between. So if your plants are still a bit tender, it's a good idea to keep them still in cover indoors, under a greenhouse, porch, somewhere just to keep them, hide them off during the daytime, and then they're ready to go. So all we need now is the water. And there we go, quick and easy hanging basket. If we put too many plugs in the basket, then they're going to start fighting for the nutrients, fighting for space. So we don't need to pack it up too much. Something high in the middle, make a nice dome shape, that would be great. And there we go, quick and easy pansy basket.